Boston Girl Bakes. I'm going to be showing you how to make this maple pecan pie perfect for the holidays. Hey there, if you're new, my name is Heather from bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this pecan pie recipe, but most pecan pie recipes use corn syrup to thicken it. I'm going to be using maple syrup instead. I think instead of using corn syrup, using maple syrup just gives it so much more flavor. Making a pecan pie filling is really super simple to make. Now you can use store-bought crust or make your own pie crust, whatever you have to do, but definitely don't skip out on making this pecan pie recipe. So let's get started. Let me show you how to make this pie. To start by making this maple pecan pie, you're going to start by blind baking your crust, which simply means taking your pie crust and lining your 9-inch pie plate, folding under the edges, and go ahead and crimp the edges of the pie. And we're going to blind bake, which means simply that we're going to partially bake this crust. So start by docking the bottom of it with a fork, which will help weight the crust down while it bakes so it doesn't puff up on you. And then line it with parchment, or you could use tin foil. And then fill it with pie weights. You can use these store-bought pie weights like I'm using here, or you can use dried beans or rice. But this again is going to help weight down the pie crust as you blind bake it. And this is going to make sure that you don't end up with a soggy bottom pie crust. So once that's baked, go ahead and remove the pie weights and set it aside and make your filling. In a mixing bowl, combine your brown sugar, salt, maple syrup. You want to make sure to use real maple syrup here. Add in some melted butter, 3 large eggs, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then just go ahead and simply just stir that to combine until it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to stir in your 2 cups of pecan halves. I like to just make sure that they're roughly chopped, and then I just give that a few good stirs so that it's evenly combined in the maple syrup filling. And that's it. That's all you have to do for this pecan pie filling. You're going to go ahead then and pour that into your pie crust that you partially baked earlier. Then you're going to go ahead and bake your pecan pie for 40 to 45 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the top is set. And if your pie is getting a little too dark in the oven, you can always just cover it loosely with some tin foil while it continues to bake. And then you're going to go ahead and let it cool for several hours or overnight. And how easy is that? That is how to make my maple pecan pie for the holidays. Top it with some whipped cream or ice cream, and I know your whole family is going to love it. So if you love this recipe as much as I do, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy baking.